some kind of information about you, okay? I didn't kidnap her, guys. I don't feed her like tuna fish in my basement. She's actually my granddaughter. You wouldn't? Okay, go ahead.
Do you like tuna fish?
Hey, all people see is your mouth. That's pretty good. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I want to say Michigan there. So Terry, good to hear you in there, and hopefully you have a copy on Craig over there near Pittsburgh. And radio is his call. So Terry, you go ahead and pick it up and pass it over to Craig, and then we'll see if anybody else joins us. N6 TLU with KB3 RHR. This is KF4IDE.
All right, Craig. So hopefully you got me dialed in on your 3D BB. Do you remember what a 3D BB is? That's a good trivia question for you guys. And just to let you know, Craig, I did open up a bottle of wine. It's actually Gnarly Head. So the Hammared Ham episode has officially started. I filled my Hammared Ham wine glass. And I got some people coming in the background here. Grandkids are here. It's super derail time here at the shack. Should be a lot of fun. But anyway, my grandkids are here. Marcia's here. And Shezzy's come running up. He's probably going to kick the camera for me.
I bought a new Yoda.
You bought a new Yoda?
Another.
Oh yeah, excellent. You got like 3 Yodas now. Okay, Marcia just came in. This is Craig, RHR, remember?
Hi, how you doing? Nice to talk with you.
Voice of Freedom, remember? He
Yes.
opened, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And I got Will on here too, IZE.
I'm missing a beer. I gotta go get one.
Yep, she's gonna get a beer. And Emmy just showed up too. You might as well join the party, Emmy. So yeah, you're not on video though.
And then there's another
But people hear your voice.
Sissy!
Were you gonna say hi? All right. Lots of cool stuff going on around here, guys. Should be a very busy video. So, Craig, let me know, man. Did I drift around, warble around any of that, or is the VFO 123 a success? Go ahead.
Yeah, okay, Terry. I'll tell you, a little tiny fish hook at the startup, but that's I've seen that 1,000 times. I kind of like that little fish hook. Once it keys up, rock solid. You're right on your mark where you were last time. So
good.
I kept you there. So
a fish hook.
Thank
I like
goodness
that.
for web SDRs. I'm in the other room, so I don't. I have no newfangled stuff in here. And Emmy, very good to meet you. If you ever have any bad modulator tubes or questionable modulator tubes, Terry, just put her on, and she'll clean them out. That's for sure. My goodness, is she loud?
Oh yeah.
She sounds good though. That's great, man. You got a granddaughter that you kind of got into that a little bit. I hope it. I just hope it stays, and someday she'll get her license, and
you will.
She can come down and
Don't make sure.
turn on past knobs. But knowing you, she'll already know how to work them all, so there won't be any playing around. But that's great stuff, man. Good for you. I try to encourage that with any of the youth people that I know or anybody that comes here. I try to sit them down in front of these big radios because that's what I remember when I was probably her age or a little bit younger. That's what got me into amateur radio. Was a friend of my grandfather's was a signal corps operator. Had a big station, and I want to bet that it was all Collins gear, 75, 8, 3 or 4 or something along that line, 75 line. And he sat me down, put my hand on a key, put his hand on top of it, and away we went. And I was just enamored by the lights and the knobs and the glow, and I just thought that was the craziest thing.
Is that how you feel
hopefully
about
she'll
this?
have those memories, and it'll encourage her to keep going. But the 1, 2, 3 is pretty solid. KE9U in a group, KB3 RHR. Go ahead, Jerry.
Okay, Greg.
There he is.
Good to hear you. Yeah, you're same signal S9 plus.
This is my friend
Not
Jerry.
really watching the signal strength. I do hear QSB. And hello to Marcia and the grandkids. Sounds like a house full.
Okay.
And I have no radio background whatsoever. Just a little bit of CB stuff back in the day and on the farms, and they were fixed channel frequencies from farm truck to house, you know, but really didn't consider it much of anything other than what they did in work trucks. That's the only thing I remember having exposure to that back in my younger days, and then had a CB there at the house, so that was it.
Hammared Ham.
Let's see here, and yeah, I'm on the, I'm top secret. It's just, you know, this is basically,
He's on the Ranger.
everything's been outboarded, so it's more like a
He's
little
got a
mini
super cool
broadcast
Ranger.
rig.
I'll show you some pictures.
And, okay, on your project there, well, sounds neat, the 123, cool stuff. I went digital on this one, so.
Yeah, Craig, you need to get a roll. You need to take a chill pill and then go to the beach for a week. You and Michelle. Take the cat. That'd be interesting. You take one of those little fishing nets, whatever those bait fish are, minnows, whatever they are.
It sounds good.
Make a few casts and then feed the kitty. A video. Well, it sounds like you've got your granddaughter back in the shack there. I really enjoy your videos. I even started watching some of your repairs on your on the guitar amps.
Cool.
Something I always wanted to pick up was a stringed instrument, and I could pick it up, and that was about it.
Yeah, me too, man.
Played in the band in high school, and still
Have to
play
get
the
the bell
trumpet,
pretty soon.
trombone, French horn, but it's got more than requires more than 3 fingers worth of coordination. Count me out. But, some interesting stuff, and I'm glad you're putting it out there for everyone else to enjoy. Like you said, generations to come.
Virginia on my 80-meter dipole. That's 60.
Repeat that.
You're about 10, 20 over 9. A little QFD.
Get your own.
10 or 20
I'm
over
busy.
9, and I'm still using this.
She
lovely
bought me this bell.
Valiant that one of your videos inspired me to buy.
Right toe. Right toe.
There's so many people in here, I don't know who to hand it to, so I'm just going to let go of the mic. Jerry, I think you told me, but I may have forgotten. I just want to keep it short because there's so many people in there, so just I wanted to wish
I don't hear anybody but him.
a happy Memorial Day weekend. 82 I'm turning off now.
Yeah, AB2OE, I don't hear anybody in there besides you, man. I hope you can copy me. Thanks for the nice comments on the videos, man. I have a lot of fun doing it. I got a lot of help. You know, I got grandkids, like Emmy is taking a bottle of wine up to the kitchen to be opened because Marcia told me she was too busy to help me out with a little bit of wine. That's kind of sad, you know? I mean, I work all day, I come home, try to shoot some videos, and I ring the bell, right? Got the wine bell that she bought me, and she says, no, you get your own wine, right? So I don't get it, man. Yeah, but AB2OE, all I can hear is you. This is N6TLU, the name is Terry, in Battle Creek, Michigan, running a Viking II. Do you copy? Vintage Johnson shirt on, huh? Got that at the Johnson Company. Okay, I guess it went back to me. Yeah, Craig, I didn't move anything around there, so
Remember not to put that on the table.
it's hard to say. You know, when I fired this thing up, it was still kind of cold. Hey, shortwave girl, come here. Yeah, Will heard you, and you know, hey, careful over there. Like bombs going off behind me. So, if you want, Emmy, you can like actually step into the camera view a little bit and say hi to Will.
You.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, that didn't block me at all when you walked right by the camera, you know, like your back is there's all purple.
Well, wait, my back's... No, it's not.
This purple shirt, isn't it?
Oh, well, look at the camera. It's blue. It's blue in the camera.
Okay. Now, so we got Will and Craig out there, so if you'd like to say hi to them. Whoa, little feedback. Didn't have feedback till you walked up. You got like a metal plate in your head or something? Huh?
I mean, we'd have to check.
Yeah, I'll get my metal detector. Go ahead and say hi.
Hello.
Much better.
That's all they get?
Yeah.
Okay, you're not gonna like tell them your name, how old you are, or anything?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, hit it. All right, you're out. She's out. Disqualified. Yeah, you need some more training. So yeah, guys. So Will, there. Yeah, that was Shirley Girl. That was Emmy, and Kai is in the background here, and he's my noise generator. He can produce all kinds of noises, like crashes, like screams, right? Yeah. Anyway, no, he's cool. We're gonna get Kai on the air soon, after he's like 5 years older. Anyway, Craig, that time when I keyed up, did you notice any frequency shift? I don't think there should be any because this thing's got its own little power supply and it's coax feeding the Viking, and you know I use all the little stupid RFC chokes and all that stuff. So I believe it should be stable. But you guys are the judge because I don't have a freak counter on this radio. It's just the Viking going out to the antenna. So KB3R, sir, over to you, man, and 6 to you.
Yeah, okay, Terry. Yeah. No, I didn't see anything. And it still looks stable, at least where I have it.
Good.
So I think it's okay.
Good. That's VFO 1, 2, 3.
Okay, anyways, but
Like you cared. That.
You know,
Don't
maybe
touch.
it was just warming up a little bit, but
All right. Well, I guess that's going to conclude this episode of the Hammared Ham. The band dropped out. The only thing that's still active in the shack is my grandson over here making noise. That never stops. That's always a constant, okay? Whereas the ham bands do vary, but I can always rely on Kai to generate lots of QRM. So we're going to call it quits for this episode of the Hammared Ham. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Very cool that the VFO 123 did the job. So we'll be featuring that in future episodes of the Hammared Ham. Thanks for tuning in.